Yo, what's up YouTubers? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Divyansh and you're watching DJ's Creativity. And in this video, I will be telling you some of the most important and basic Excel functions and formulas which you need to know if you use it. So friends, let's get started. Sum. This is the most basic function used in Excel. This basically gives the total of numerical values from the area specified. To apply this function, go to the cell where you want the sum to be displayed. Then type in equal to sum and then a bracket. Now you need to select from where we need the sum. Then press enter. You will see the sum of the values displayed. Drop down lists. Sometimes in spreadsheets we see some drop down lists where we can choose value which is available. To do this, go to the cell where you need the drop down list to be made. Then go to the data tab on the ribbon. From there, click the data validation button. In the pop-up box which appears, go to the settings tab and from the drop down lists for allow select list. Then a new bar appears from where you need to select the table from which you want the list to be made. After that, click enter. Then press OK. You will see a small arrow-like triangle. Clicking on it, you will see a drop-down list of the things you had selected. In my case, it is the product name. From here, we can choose any product of our choosing. Sum if. This function is used to display a specific value from a set of values given. For example, when you select the product as laptop, the value displayed is 1000, which is specified as the value of laptop. To use this function, type is equal to sum if and then a bracket. As you can see, here we have to select range, which will be the total data which contains the required things. Here I will select the whole table containing the products and the values. After that, put a comma and then we need to enter the cell for which we want the corresponding values to be displayed. Now we need to select the range in which we have the corresponding values. A comma. Then press enter and then enter the product name. You can see the specified value of the product is displayed. Here the cost of laptop is given as 1000. If we select it as tablet, the value comes out to be 500, which is the corresponding value of tablet. If. This is used if we want a certain thing to be displayed, if a specific criteria is met and the other if it is not. To apply this, type is equal to if and then a bracket. Then we need to select the value from where we want the criteria. Let it be total sales and then we need to write the criteria. I am writing it if it is greater than 7000. Then a comma and now we need to select the value to be displayed if the criteria is met. We need to put these in inverted commas. Let me choose if the sales are greater than 7000 then the value be nice. Comma, we need to enter the value to be seen if the criteria isn't met. I will be putting it as average. After that, press enter and you will see the specific value according to the criteria. As you can see, the total sales are greater than 7,000, so it has displayed the answer as nice. Now, if we reduce the value of one of the products, let it be 600 and then press enter, then the sales go down and the value changes to average. Concatenate. This is used to compile some large amounts of data. For example, we have a lot of names for which we have the first and the last name separated. We want the full name to be displayed in another column for some other work. To apply this, we need to type in equal to concatenate. And then after a bracket, we need to specify the first text. Here, I am selecting the first name. Then add a comma and now we need to enter the second text. If we give the last name here, then there will be no space between the names. To add a space, just put two inverted commas with a space in between. Then, after another comma, we can specify the second text and so on. Here, the second text will be the last name. After that, press enter and you are done. As you can see, you will see the full name put together. See. So friends, that's all for today. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.